So my daughter just got stung by a wasp, and John happened to see the wasp nest. Look. Can you all see that? Look at those guys. Personally, I don't think it belongs here at a skate park. I think that thing needs to come down right now. I'm gonna take care of that. I've done this to wasps before and they chase me. They're getting protective. They sense. They're checking this thing out. I'm gonna run. Hang on, they're swarming our backpacks right now looking for the culprit. I didn't knock it down all the way yet. Dude, there's like 50 of them. No, but I need a longer stick.
That's what she said.
Yeah. She always says crap like that. Now we're back. I think your line is right. When I come around here and pump, that's a lot faster. I can get one shot at the coping here. When I miss this, I've been able to get two, and I think that's what I've been trying to do. But I don't think that's right. I think I need more speed. Hit this hump.
Just put all of it into one and don't worry about the second one. If you
there, I said it. You're right. We got to do this because Barry is.
Speed. Pump it hard.
That's it. Shit, I didn't know you were doing right there. Sorry. Yeah. one looks beautiful, dude.
Pump it, hit it. That was right there. Get your speed back and do it again. Nice. All right, front side. Yes. Look at that. I think he's dead. Oh, no. You're just looping up the drop-in, so I slide when I roll in. We need to go back to footage on that one, 'cause that was darn close.
That's nice. Everything's perfect. Good. Good though. Push. Oh. Way better speed. Right on.
Hit it, hit it, hit it. Yes.
Well, I hit it. It looks no fear, man. Ain't nothing but to do it. Yeah, that was a good one though. And this wind kicked up out here and things got super nice. It's weird. In Texas, man, you can never plan for it. It was hot, miserable this morning, and now the wind kicked up. It's chilling your sweat. You're almost a little cold. It's strange. Austin's weird.